Hey, hi and hello all, welcome back to our channel guys. Actually today is the different video actually. Now what we are going to do means, actually today in this video, we are going to do a teardown of this hard drive, entire hard drive actually. This we are going to dismantle actually. Actually you can see here's the hard disk of 500 GB from Western Digital WD Blue actually. Just now today we are going to open this hard disk only. Just now we are going to dismantle actually you can see the date of manufacture and all they are mentioned here, 27 July 2011, and the product of Malaysia. Okay, that's it. Just now I'm going to open this hard drive guys. Actually this is a hard disk drive actually, and actually here you can see here's the pins actually, which it is a power supply pin which we will connect it with the SMPS in PC actually. And this is actually here we will connect a SATA cable to transfer data between the motherboard and this hard drive. And this is the brain of this hard drive guys. It's a PCB board which we use to translate the data comments and all of the computer. And here you can see here's the ribbon which is just got connected between this PCB green board to this spindle motor actually. Okay, anyway, just let's come on. First we will open this out now. Here's the screw. Oops, it's a bit slippery actually. Actually I need to take a different one, it seems. Anyway, just we will open this first, or else instead of removing the screws later we will remove that. Let's come on. This is suitable for this actually. This tip is suitable for the screws. This I'm opening it out. Yeah, again. That's it. And just I will pass this video and I will just submit back guys, because there's a 4 screws over there. It will take some time so only. Actually I've removed all these 6 screws actually. I hope there is a one center screw is there, I think. I hope. Just I need to remove this sticker first. Just I need to remove this up first. Yeah, come on. Here you can see, I think this is also a screw. Yeah, here you can see here's the one screw is there. Here you can see, just we need to remove the screw also. Actually I need to change this tip. It's some kind of different tip I think. Okay, let's come on. We need to remove the screw. That's it. Okay, it's now time to open it up now. Let's come on. Where is the, yeah, here's it. Just come on. Now time to open it up now. Just keep that aside. And here you can see, here you can see here's the plater and there's arc which is used to read the data actually. It will spin like this. There is a plater which is used to store the data and all, and there's a different kinds of sectors will be there in this plater used to store the data actually. Actually this is the actuator arm actually, which is used to read and write the data of this plater actually. It will spin and it will read and write the data like this actually. You can see there's a triangle tip is there which is used to read and write the data. This actuator arm. Actually this is a parking place. Once the hard drive is shut down means it will just park it here, this actuator arm actually. It will not touch this disk. There is a light mild air gap it will be there actually. And the center thing is motor which it is attached middle of this, and there is a actuator arm motor is also there here. That's it. And okay, let's come on. We need to open this too also. Now I'm going to open it up now. Actually I need to change the tip. I'm going to open this up. Okay, finally we have removed the screws. Actually it's very tight, guys. It's taking too much time to open this itself actually. Yeah, still it is not coming. It's came. The same thing, I'm going to open this out here also. Yeah, taking this out. Okay, there's a screws here also, just need to open. Okay, now let's come on. Just I need to remove the screws. Actually, what means here there is a one screw, guys, but I cannot able to open it right now actually because it's very tight. Even this tip is also just got broken, my spare tip actually. Anyway, just I left it out. These two screws I have just removed, and these two screws also, it's somewhat bit very tight. Anyway, just we can try this screw. Okay, it's coming. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it's came. Yeah, where is it? Yeah, you can see here is it. Actually this is just kind of a parking area for this actuator arm actually. Okay, let's come on. Just we will remove this disc screws actually. One by one. There's a lot of screws over there. There is one final screw is there. Yeah, it came actually. You can see. Yeah, it just got disconnected from all of these things actually. You can see this is the platter, guys. Actually the data which will just got stored in this platter only actually. This is the main thing in this hard disk drive actually. All the things of data which will get stored in this plate only, which were I already told previously, like there's different kinds of sectors will be there in this hard disk. It will store based on the segments and sectors actually. It looks glossy actually. I think it's a metal kind of things with glassy actually. You can see it's good. And here is the, you can see, motor actually. You can see the spindle motor actually. It's very smooth actually. It's good. That's it. And there's the actuator arm. It will read and write like this. Yeah, that's it. And there is a motor is also there for this actuator arm actually. I just got removed this connector actually, and here you can see here is the, yeah, but it's actually it's very tight, guys. Or else I can remove this because the screw is very tight. Even my this tip nib is just got broken. Even so much tight actually. It just got bit rusted also, so only I cannot able to take this properly. And now what I'm going to do means just I'm going to remove this up now. Actually this screw is also very tight. Actually it's nearly 15 years old hard disk, guys, actually. So only the screws and all very tight actually. Yeah, finally you can see I just got smashed up actually. Here's the golden time pins which I have removed this plastics and all. Actually what I did means just got smashed up. I have just taken one hammer and just just not one knock only, it just got smashed up. Actually, you can see there's nothing inside this. Actually, this is magnetic type, I think. You can see, again it's checking. Can able to take. Yeah, that's it. I've taken this out. You can see this is the actuator arm. Actually, it's good. Likewise, it will spin. Okay, that's it, guys. Finally, I hope you enjoyed this video. And okay, guys, thanks for watching this video. And it's a small video regarding this teardown of this hard disk drive of 500 GB. Finally, we have taken this hard disk, which we have completely broken it up, and we have taken these parts each by each, actually. Okay, and okay, guys, so getting this video, that's all. I hope you enjoyed it, and do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos, guys. Bye. Let's see you in next video.